welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you best way to use multi-window in MacBook. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for manage your multi-window in your MacBook. We all know whenever we try to open any window and then when we're going to minimize them, all them going to be appear in this taskbar. How if you want to make these all minimize apps going to be appear in this left side with a preview, or which is called recent, which is make your multitasking work more faster and more easy. So if you want to enable these things in your MacBook, you need to click in your MacBook system setting. After click over system setting, in the left side you will find here something say desktop and dock. After click over desktop and dock, in the right side you will find here something say stage manager. Click this customize and turn on this recent application and also turn on this desktop items. After that, click here done and then also turn on this stage manager. Now if I am going to open any apps and then if I click here minimize, and those going to be appear in the left side. You can see whenever I minimize all of them, it's going to be minimized in this preview screen. So for example, I open the calendar and then I minimize it, that's coming in this left side preview. And whatever activities you're going to do, or whenever you minimize, all them going to be appear in this left side, so which is more looks more pretty good. And you can also anytime you can jump over any apps you want. Whenever you minimize those, instead of going in this taskbar, it's going to be appear in this left side with a stylish preview. So this is a very useful. If you need, you can easily enable if you're doing a multitasking in your MacBook. Also you can make a grouping in your MacBook, all this multitasking. For example, you have a calendar and you want to also notes in one group. So if I now open the notes, and if I want to also make the calendar, I will just open and bring it here. And now if I minimize, all those two apps going to be one group. So this is the apps, and this is both are in one group. See, if I minimize, those apps going to be appear in the same group. So within this simple way, you can easily enable multitasking preview in your MacBook. If you decide to turn off, you can go again here system setting and then click here desktop and dock. In the left side you will find here is test manager. You can simply turn this off and that's going to be appear like a normal mode. So within this simple way you can easily enable multitasking preview panel in your MacBook. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.